Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an EMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators, this one. Click on it, then type EMA and choose this one, moving average exponential, okay? Because EMA stands for moving average exponential, okay? So click on it. And now, as you can see, this is our EMA. Now, let's say, for example, you want to make it a 20 EMA. Go to EMA here, click on the gear icon, go to input, go to length and change it to 20 or to the 50 or 200, anything you want. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the color to, let's say, yellow. We have here the thickness of this line of the EMA. Let's choose, for example, this one, as you can see. Okay. Now, just click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our EMA. If you want to change the color, just go to EMA here, click on it, and you can change it, as you can see, like this. The same thing with the input, the length. So let's say, for example, the 200. Click on OK. As you can see, I think that you get the idea. In that set, so I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.